Yum. We're gonna make some flatbreads that we're gonna serve with lamb, chutney, tzatziki, and fresh lettuce. Flatbreads first. 3 ingredients: flour, yogurt, baking powder, and some salt, of course. Mix those ingredients, knead the dough back in the bowl, let it rest, and then tzatziki, cucumber, grater, tea towel. Grate the cucumber straight onto the tea towel so that we can wring all of that excess liquid. Natural unsweetened Greek yogurt, lemon zest, lemon juice, a small clove of garlic, some olive oil, salt, dill. It's time to roll out the flatbreads. You get a nice perfect ball. Flour. If it gets a bit too sticky, final part, the lamb. Rosemary, lemon zest, salt, olive oil. Let this marinate overnight. But look at that. Really juicy and sweet.